You are going to love the 2015 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, fog lights, CD player. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.